Hey there! Looking to build your credit score and not sure whether to go with Kovo or Credit Strong? Well, stick around because I'm about to break it all down for you. Oh, and don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special offer. Alright, let's dive in. First up, Kovo. Think of Kovo as your cool, tech-savvy friend who's got their finger on the pulse of new age finance. It's a subscription-based service that reports your monthly payments to major credit bureaus. Plus, it's pretty affordable, starting at just $5 a month. And they throw in some personal finance courses in the mix. Handy, right? But here's the catch. Kovo doesn't help with credit utilization. It's like having a gym membership, but never lifting a dumbbell. Now, let's switch gears to Credit Strong. This one's more like that reliable, sturdy friend who's got your back. It offers credit builder loans, which are quite literally loans you pay back to yourself. It's like a savings account with a bit of a twist. The best part? It helps with both your payment history and credit utilization. However, it's a bit pricier than Kovo, so it's kind of like choosing between a fancy latte and a regular coffee. Now, you might wonder which one's right for you. If you fancy something straightforward and low cost, with a pinch of personal finance wisdom, Kovo might be your jam. But if you're after a more substantial boost and are willing to pay a little extra, Credit Strong could be your cup of tea. Whichever you go for, remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. So, choose the one that suits your lifestyle and financial goals. And hey, why not take advantage of that special offer in the description below? So, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips. Catch you in the next video, and happy credit building!